In this short video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Wix website to a client. The first thing you want to do is head over to the Wix editor of the website they want to transfer. As you can see, this is what I am right now. And once the Wix editor is fully loaded, to the top left corner of the screen, you will see Site and Settings, these two buttons. I want you to click on the Settings button, and about halfway down, you will see Roles and Permissions. I want you to click on that, and within a few seconds, it's going to open up a brand new window right here, which is where you're going to be able to see the current roles and permissions of everybody on this specific website. In my case, it's just me as the sole owner because I'm the person that made the website. As you can see, name, role owner. And if you take a look to the right hand side here, you will see this change owner button. I want you to click on that, and that's going to open up a brand new window, which is where you're going to have to enter your client's information, which is the email. So I'm going to quickly write john@gmail.com, and then what would you describe them as? A client, of course. Then click on continue. From here, if you want to keep yourself as the co-owner of the website once the transfer is complete, make sure this box is enabled. If not, uncheck it. And then at the bottom here, if you want to keep the website as part of your portfolio, you can create a copy of the website and keep it in your account. In my case, I don't want that, so I'm going to click on continue right here. And from here, you can confirm and understand that once the transfer happens, you basically transfer everything to do with the website, including media, third-party services, and so forth, to the client. This is the last step of the transfer, by the way. So once you click this transfer ownership button right here, everything is completed. Now, in my case, I'm not going to do that because I want to keep the website. But to transfer the ownership, simply make sure to check this box. Not check the box, click the button. That way, the website will be transferred over to john@gmail.com or whatever the email is of your client. Then they will receive an email with the steps they need to follow in order to claim the website and so forth. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to transfer Wix website to a client. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.